What is civil engineering? Civil engineers combine creativity with imagination and technical expertise to design our built environments. But as a civil engineer, what will you do? You'll be designing sustainable buildings and bridges that bring people together. You'll be developing transport systems fit for our future. You'll be benefiting humanity by providing clean water, energy, food and shelter. You'll be building a world resilient to climate change and natural disasters. Civil engineers are improving the quality of the built environment for all. Are these things you want to achieve? You might become a civil engineer if you like developing ideas to change the world, applying maths and science in an imaginative way, collaborating with others to work through challenging tasks, questioning how things are designed and built, using technology to find the most sustainable solutions, and seeing your ideas turned into reality.